So today's video is a very quick lesson on proving covariance rule number 3. So in the previous two videos, I've already proven covariance rules number 1 and 2 in case you're interested. So this involves a situation, the special case where y is simply equal to a constant, okay? So it follows that mu y is equal to b, right? Y is equal to a constant, let's say b. So mu y is also going to equal b because the mean of a constant is just a constant itself, right? Okay, cool. So in this situation, the covariance of x with y is simply going to equal 0. And we're going to prove that in this video. So let's begin with the definition of covariance. In order to prove this, we're going to start with the definition of covariance as always. So that's simply x minus mu x, okay, times y, the expected value of x minus mu x times y minus mu y, okay. And now, first of all, as always, we're going to plug in for y and for mu y. So y is equal to b and mu y is equal to b as well. So when we do that, we get the expected value of x minus mu x times b. This is b, right? Y is just b and mu y is also b, so we get b minus b. And notice that this is going to equal 0. Therefore, this becomes 0 and the entire expression is reduced to 0, okay? Because when we multiply this term right here with a 0, we get 0. So we have proven that the covariance of x with y is going to be equal to 0 in the special case where y is equal to a constant. In this case, the constant is b. Okay, thank you.